Hey friends, I just wanted to give an update on a tool that I'm adding to Efecto, that app, where you can use an AI agent that I'm calling Jules, that you can use it to design stuff with you. So it's more like a co-designer. So here on Efecto, that app, you can just find this as Jules, and then you can type anything. So for example, create a poster, cyberpunk aesthetics that says dope. Okay, so now it's thinking, creating the poster, setting the background. And then it starts adding the different things that it needs. Just like it search for an image, it search for an effect, it search for a font, and just put the layer that says dope. Now here I can even start iterating on it. It's still thinking, so it's still doing some stuff, but I can stop at any time. And I can just like say, change the image to something with clouds, and then just enter. And the cool thing here is that now it knows the image that it has, it knows the design, and it would just like search for another image. And there you go, just it added it there. And at any time, you can just come here and you can edit it too. If you want to move things around, you can just do it manually too. But you can collaborate with this AI co-designer to get you to a starting point or edit or iterate. Now, this is pretty primitive. I'm still working on this tool. The design tool is still pretty basic. The agent, I'm thinking of it of actually having as multiple sub-agents with different tasks, one maybe a copywriter, maybe one that might suggest a vibe, and also having one that is like more of the visual designer, the one that actually iterates on the design too. But for now, it's just like something simple, and it would be dope if you use it, and let me know what you think. Thank you.